Hello everyone, welcome to Land Reality Consult, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fuseni Wasalifu. I am the CEO of Land Reality Consult. Land Reality Consult is a consulting firm dedicated to promoting geographic information system, remote sensing, land administration and land governance issues, as well as estate agency. So if you want to buy landed properties or you want to sell landed properties, kindly contact Land Reality Consult for help. If you also want to know more about the above thematic areas in the form of learning, kindly subscribe to Land Reality Consult YouTube channel and click on notification bell for updates. Today I'm going to talk about an important topic. And that important topic is new trends in land administration in Ghana. In my previous video, I talked about the evaluation of land administration project. And land administration project came to solve some of the challenges highlighted in the 1999 National Land Policy of Ghana, but could not solve majority of them. So these new trends in land administration came or are being implemented to resolve some of these challenges. So let's get started. The government of Ghana, the new Patriotic Party, has ambitious projects. And some of these ambitious projects relate to land. One of their projects is one district, one factory, one village, one dump, planting for food, registering land within 30 days. So these are the projects that are being implemented by the new Patriotic Party. So that is the vision of the government. So the overarching policy direction of government of Ghana on the land administration is contained in a coordinated program of economic and social development policies 2017 to 2024, an agenda for jobs, creating prosperity and equal opportunities for all. In these documents, they detailed new trends in the land administration. So, according to them, if these new trends are being implemented to the standard that it deserves, they should be able to resolve most of the problems enumerated in the National Land Policy of Ghana 1999. And they're saying that they have to fully decentralize the operations of Lands Commission. Decentralization of Lands Commission, you see, is part of the new trends. Currently, the Lands Commission have offices at each region. They are in regional capitals. So for now, there will be 16. Previously, it was about 10 regions. Now we have 16 regions, so about 16 regional capitals. The other 6 are in the process of being set up. Arrangements have been made for the establishment of the 6 regional Lands Commission offices in the new regions. So things are underway. So if other things being equal, we will have 16 regional capitals that will have 16 regional Lands Commission offices. So this document, agenda for jobs, creating prosperity and equal opportunity for all, seeks to decentralize some of the operations of the Lands Commission to some of the districts. which is a very good idea, so that the offices will be accessible to everyone. Not necessary for you to travel all the way from your village to the regional capital to have your land registered. So this is a very good direction. Another new trend is digitization of the operations of the Lands Commission to speed up the services to enhance the accuracy of land certificates and ensure high standards of land data security. In my introduction, I indicated that the government wants to register lands within 30 days. So, and this will be possible if they're able to digitize all land records and operations of the Lands Commission. And when it is done, you can easily do it within the 1 month time period. But if it is not, I don't think it will be possible. The turnaround time will not be 1 month. It will even be a year, 2 years also. So the digitization of the operations of the Lands Commission is a laudable idea if it is done effectively and efficiently. I think the 1 month period, 30 days period, will be achievable. Another new trend is the scaling up of the client service and access units of the Lands Commission. Client service and access unit of Lands Commission are the interface between the Lands Commission and the clients or the public, or the interface between the public and the Lands Commission. So if public submits documents, it will be done through the client service and access unit. And if the work is completed, Lands Commission forward the completed work to client service and access unit for collection. So currently it's operated in few regional capitals. By now, they are expanding this client service access unit to the rest of the other regions. Recently, they've set up some in Kumasi. I think Sunyani too is in the process, or it has also been even done. So gradually, they are going to establish this client service and access units throughout the whole country. Another new trend is reforming business processes. That's what I call engineering, re-engineering of the business processes of the Lands Commission. Lands Commission is a government institution. So the workers are being paid by the government of the Republic of Ghana. And the revenue that they generated, the government give them a certain percentage, which is about 30-something, 35% or so. That is the internal generator funds for them to use it to do their administrative work. So if the digitization is done, I'm sure they will be able to increase their revenue generation. And the more you generate revenue, the more your government salvation becomes bigger. So that is it. So it's also a laudable idea for re-engineering the business processes of the Lands Commission. Find new innovative ways of getting money for the commission, so that there will be some kind of sustainability with respect to the functions and activities of the Lands Commission. We also have another new trend is the reforming laws and administrative practices to support the new agenda for a reform. So the law, recently, there has been a new law passed, signed by the President on 23rd December 2020. And this new Land Act has really come timely. It's a very good law with a lot of potentials and prospects. If it is well enforced, I think most of our issues enumerated in the National Land Policy, such as multiple sales of land conflicts, and so on, will be reduced drastically. Lastly, we have provision of base maps and infrastructure for continuous production and updating of spatial data. The work of Lands Commission has an element of geographical locations or geographical issues, because every parcel is tied to a location. So most of the topo sheets and the maps that are being used by Lands Commission are actually outdated. Survey has been done during the colonial periods, and these are the same maps that we are still using in the offices of the Lands Commission. So these maps are actually outdated, which needs updating of such maps. And there are talks ongoing to really fly the whole country to produce orthophotos that will help Lands Commission to update their existing outdated maps. This is also a very good direction. So I think, conclusion, I think if these new trends are implemented effectively and efficiently, some of these problems will really be resolved. As I complained in my previous video about the evaluation of land administration project, which I indicated that it was too overambitious. It did not target specific areas, and that's the reason why it failed. But these new trends and interventions actually target specific areas, like in the area of digitization, automation, the area of regulatory, and so they are specific to the point, and I'm sure successes will be achieved in future. Let's make Ghana great. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.